I mean, one of the best schools. It can't be compared to just Ghana.
Please, it's actually the best. We have two KNUST alumni you are wearing.
Yeah, this.
Amazing. It's very, very nice.
It's very beautiful. But why tie and dye?
Finished school, I decided to start something for myself because I realized I had a lot of skills.
The tie and dye business. So welcome to the pilot edition for Meets the Upcoming Young Star with the Friend Zone Foundation. So today on the show, I will be one of your hosts. I'm EL, as you know it, and then I'm here with E. Aduma as well.
Hi guys!
She will tell you how to sit like a lady. Just do it for them.
Sit like this.
I know, right? This show has been designed to help all upcoming stars in that ghetto, in that zongo, wherever that you are trying to, pull up some weight in your career, in your field, but not being noticed. We have designed this show here to interview you. You never know. Probably it will land you that your dream opportunity that you want. So on the show today, we have an amazing person. So I've known her since school days. I mean, she's a KNUST alumni. She'll tell you more about herself, but she's into the tie and dye business. And her favorite quote is, "Consistency is key, so don't give up." Her name is Fafali Bonalati. So Fafali, you are welcome to our show.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
We are also glad you honored this as well. So I'd like to ask, our viewers would like to know you, Iyaduma would like to know you. Who is Fafali?
Fafali is basically a young businesswoman who loves art. I did art way back at SHS and university. I decided to continue art. So when I finished school, I decided to start something for myself because I realized I had a lot of skills. So basically, the truth is I love a lot of business. Even though I love art, I still love business. So alongside what I do other businesses too. So for now, I'll say Papa is a young businessman. Yeah.
Alright, for now, I'll say Papa is a young businesswoman. So my young businesswoman, we can't help but ask, how did this whole idea come to you? Because you've made it know that you love art, you love business.
Yeah.
But why tie and dye?
Okay, so during the time I decided to start this business, I saw, tie and dye is like a train. It goes and comes. So I realized the train was coming back. And I'm like, I have this skill, why should I sit on it? Let me just take advantage of it and make some money for myself. So from the beginning, it wasn't that great. I see people doing tie and dye. I've done the practical before, but having it as a business was something different. So I basically started just by taking advantage of the train, and I hopped on it. From the beginning, it wasn't that cool. I remember my first designs weren't that nice. Like, I think I didn't plan it. I was just excited. It's a train, and I wanted to jump on it. Yeah, so basically, that's how I started.
Okay. Is that one you are wearing?
Yeah, this
Amazing. It's very, very nice.
Very beautiful.
Yes.
But wait, did you bring me some? Did you bring us some?
Did you bring us some?
No,
Viewers.
but I'm making a promise. I'll tell you guys.
No, anchor. Wait, make a cheap because Morgana anchor. All banana for this size or brave. Naka yin na ya show this and Kenya
I
thing.
would like to be very nice.
My viewers, say she has promised. The next
So
video,
it's
if
a
we are not
promise.
wearing it,
It's a
hold
promise.
her accountable.
I'm actually sad.
Don't be
I could
sad.
have been wearing tie
Don't
and
be
dye
sad.
today.
I'll get you a very unique design when you see it.
The word is unique.
Unique. You will love it. It's a
Okay,
promise.
so when we're listening to Papa, she made mention of the fact that her designs were not nice at first,
Yeah.
right? So that means that consistency is key. And she even made mention that that's her very favorite quote. Amazing. So Papa, I wanted to ask you. Actually, I'm still asking, so it's not wanted. So I'm asking you.
Yeah.
And what harnessed this creativity? Do you think it's talent or hard work?
I think I'll combine the two. I'll say talent and hard work. Because you can decide to have the talent, but you can decide to sit on it. There are people who can draw, but they draw and keep it in their rooms.
That's true.
Yes, or they don't show it to anyone. So I have the talent. I said earlier that I love art. I love art because it's a talent I have. Yes, so I think having the talent, I decided to add hard work to it. Because I don't know, nothing comes easy. You can't say because this is a gift, automatically things will work out for you. So I would say talent and hard work.
Okay, as she said, nothing comes easy. I actually have a quote. I always say this thing, and I think it's even in my CV. It says that nothing is achieved on a silver platter. You work extremely hard to achieve what you want, or you act like a daisically and achieve nothing. And as we can see, she made mention of the fact that she went to KNUST. I mean, one of the best schools. It can't be compared to University of Ghana.
Please, it's actually the best. We have 2 KNUST alumni here, and then
The best always
Massa.
stands out, and I'm the best.
Massa.
University of Ghana.
I don't know, but she's really delaying the show. We have to move on.
I'm sorry, we can continue.
Our guest here is the focus, so her school is what we are
I'm
doing.
sorry, I just wanted to hide my school small. But yeah.
So
as
all
she
the
said-
KNUST alumni or students should comment down below. Whatever, UG can so comment.
So yeah, Papa, you said it's talent and hard work at the same time. Okay. Will we also focus on the Christian aspect as well? Let me make this very simple and clear to you. The Christian aspect, I mean, looking at it from the religious aspect, you're a Christian, right? Yeah. So did that also harness whatever you wanted to do, apart from the creativity and the hard work? Do you also think it has a thing to do with God?
Yes, I remember I went for one interview and I spoke about it. I said that before, is it time that is something anyone can do, and something that is out there. But even though I decided to just hop on the train, I think I did something that I didn't really pay attention to. I prayed about the idea. Yes, from the beginning I didn't plan it. But when I decided to plan, I think I prayed about it. And that's what gave me some of the unique ideas. And so the God factor cannot be left out. I think that's what even keeps me going. Because sometimes when I started a business, sometimes the orders I'm expecting to come, they're not coming. So I go back to my room and have a discussion with my God.
Kabaye and Kaba.
Kadosh!
Yeah, I go back and I'm like, oh God, what is happening? You know, this is something I want to do. So, like, do something for me. So, the God, I mean, up to now, the God factor is what is keeping me.
So as we keep moving, we get to know that you can never neglect the God factor.
Yeah.
So, on this God factor note, I'd like to find out, how do you go about your sales? Is it online, in person, door to door? How do you go about it?
Okay, currently it's online. So way back at school, I used to do door to door. Now I know students, they have to go to
Yeah, you
hostel.
be Jayo lie.
It wasn't easy, like working after, maybe after class, after doing all your projects and everything, you still have to go to hostel halls to knock on their door. And if it was still telling you, they still tell you to reduce the prices and things. So it wasn't easy, but right now it's fully online. I'm looking forward to having a shop.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Well, as for online, they don't tell you to reduce the price.
Online, especially IG, if you have people who really buy from you, you don't really get a lot of people saying reduce it.
Oh, okay.
IG.
Because actually her prices are cheap. You can actually contact her. We are not going to post her prices on our screen.
Oh, just
But
check
then-
my Instagram.
Everything is there.
Everything
She's
is
not
there.
going to do DM for price.
Yes.
It's
Everything.
there.
So _wear fancy. Check it out and ask her for the price. You can mention friend zone for a discount, I'm sure.
Yeah.
And when you mention my name, she reduce the crowd.
No, she'd rather get angry because she's from Eugene.
Okay, so Fafa,
Yeah.
knowing that nothing comes easily, can you share with us some of your challenges?
Okay. I'll still make reference to the things I said earlier. Yes, and even school. Like what I just said, that from the beginning, people, students like cheap things.
Yeah.
So at the beginning, they were really asking for reduction. I'm like, I've put in a lot of effort in this. Like, you want me to sell it for 2 cedis or what?
Charlie.
So that was
The annoying thing is that they're going to be buying fried rice and
yes,
things.
at a higher price.
Hey.
So yeah, that was one of the challenge from the beginning. Another one too was people think it's something that it will come and go.
Okay.
So why? And also when I started doing the normal designs that were out there. So it was one challenge I had. So I was like, oh, I have this design already, and you're giving me the same design. So it was one of the challenges, and that was something that brought the uniqueness in my time. Like, knowing that it's something that is already out there, a design that people already have. So through that, I decided to come up with my own unique designs, not be creative about it, not just something that everyone is doing, but have a unique design, something that if the person sees it, I really love this. I really love the way they design.
And so, as you were sharing your experiences and challenges, you know that people are coming up and people are setting their own business, and setting it at that point is a bit challenging because, like, you know, as we were saying, students and their things, and it's not only students, it's actually everywhere. And looking at the economy worldwide, it's not even just Ghana. What advice will you give someone who is now coming up, someone setting his or her own business? What advice would you give that person?
One thing I would say